Good day. My name is Aubrey Howard. I am the CEO of the KNeW company. The KNeW company has a process that converts acid mine drainage or acid rock drainage into demineralized water and products that have a value. There's two phases to our process. First, the continuous countercurrent ion exchange process, patented, that was awarded second prize at the Institute of Chemical Engineering in 2020, demineralizes the acid mine drainage, creating demineralized water on the one side and a waste stream on the other side. Then the second phase to our process, which won the Institute of Chemical Engineering Award in 2013, converts the waste stream and the reagents used in the ion exchange process into namely potassium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. And an interesting fact about potassium nitrate is that all farm-grade potassium nitrate is imported into the United States. We have an amazing team. John Busey, the inventor of our process, internationally recognized scientist. The chairman of our company, Glenn Howard, was John Busey's first business partner in 1968. They created a chemical manufacturing company that was eventually bought out by Anglo American. We also have team members like Alistair Forsyth, who was the largest distributor of potassium nitrate in Africa and has over 40 years of experience in potassium nitrate and ammonium sulfate. And then we have other amazing team members like David Roman, a Thunderbird alum, Bruce Granowski, 35 years experience in public relations, Derek Vogel, also over 30 years experience in marketing and branding. We have legal experts like Brad Dewan, Harvard alumni, a financial expert, and we have Kim Teichman, who's an international construction lawyer. We've also formed partnerships with EPC contractor Black & Veatch that will be building our first facility, and with Yara Fertilizers. Yara is one of the largest fertilizer distributors in the world, and they will be taking all product produced, and we've secured a 5-year offtake agreement with them.
Ion exchange is a process where one has a resin particle, a 0.5 millimeter in size, millions of them, suspended in the water that's being cleaned up. This ion exchange resin will exchange the chemical ions that are on the resin for those that are dissolved in the water. If your resin has got an acidic form, it will excrete H+ ions, and it will extract the soluble cations from the water, those such as sodium or potassium or calcium, magnesium. Any of the pollutants that are sitting in the water can then be extracted onto the resin, and the inoffensive H+ ion would be excreted. That H+, of course, will be neutralized when it goes into the annex resins to make pure water. The pollutant that's on the resin is then removed because the resin is moved into a so-called cleaning zone, a laundry, if you like, which will exchange the pollutant back into a concentrated solution and return the H+ onto the resin. So one has this continuing cycle of absorption and regeneration, absorption, regeneration, and in that way the polluted water is cleaned up and the pollutants are removed to a concentrated zone and then dealt with in the new process.
As with all technologies, there's a risk. However, KNeW has mitigated that risk by a technology, process, and output guarantee. We are fully financed. We're looking for the opportunity to put up a 350,000 to 500,000 gallon a day treatment plant to demonstrate our claims to the mine that we can in fact return 99% of the treated water and remove all the desalinated salts off site.